If you ever find yourself in a real survival situation, as a pilot, it's a responsibility to yourself and your passengers to ensure that you are equipped to survive. Carry only gear you are willing to bet your life on and that of your passengers. You never want to leave home without a knife, some means of starting a fire, some means of signaling your distress, shelter, and water. You want the tools that are going to make it easy to survive. Improvisation is central and fundamental to survival. Tools make it much easier to improvise. A major impediment to survival is exhaustion. Tools save you the energy you need to survive. Despite all the modern distress alerting technology, immediate rescue may not appear. Knowledge and tools are key. Assemble or purchase both a personal and aircraft survival kit. Learn more about survival. Books, videos, survival school. Learn survival skills when your life doesn't depend on it. Be smart, be prepared, be equipped to survive.